Hey everybody, my name is Joel and I'm a day trader. I created my strategy called WGTA. I built it entirely from scratch, drawing from the lessons I've learned in landscaping, the military, electrical wind tech, and my early trading career. WGTA is grounded in psychology first and foremost, because I believe personally that mindset is what truly separates success from failure. It's not about shortcuts, it's about the path of most resistance. It's about discipline, focus, and learning how to adapt when the market pushes back. This channel documents my journey from the beginning through editing and reflecting. I track my own growth and aim to share that insight with all of you. Let's grow together and become truly unstoppable. Morning. It is January 2nd, 2025. It is 8:36 a.m. All right, let's get this started. My strategy, WGTA. What separates me from phase one? What separates me from other traders is my willingness to wait, even if it means missing the setup. There are 8 steps. First step is to create dollar box. Confirm. All right, here we go. Identify the higher low. Confirm higher low by definition. Mark point with trend line to COB. Identify 3 points. Spot potential entries. Place stop loss at higher low point. Wait for price to close in buy zone. Green for short, red for long. Phase 2. I announced. Grateful for spotting this entry. Let's execute. There are 3 steps. First, enter 5 contracts at the close of the 5-minute candle. 2, move entry horizontal line to the close of the entry candle. 3, mark stop loss, target price, and entry. Phase 3, I announced. With trust in my strategy, I remain stoic and execute only when my setup demands it. There are 2 types of candles. We have noise candles and action candles. Noise candles are simply market noise, have no assigned meaning, and test your patience, resolve, and integrity. Action candles, we have 4. Once my stop loss is hit, I announce, proud to execute where others hesitate. Let's spot another entry. When 1 hour has elapsed from entry, close positions. If price wicks my target price, set break even stop loss. And once price reaches my target, I announce my unwavering patience and discipline brought me to my target. Finally, we go to the last phase where I announce amazing trade is successful. Let's see how far it can go. Where the only step is to set a trailing stop loss to maximize gain. Actually, first step is what separates me from other traders is my willingness to wait, even if it means missing the setup. Oh man, I'm really caught now. Fuck. All right, let's get it. All right, so create dollar box. We will close at 24. All right, lock you in place. Make sure you say 24. Dotted thick thread. Creates opposite. Got point by definition. Mark trend line with COB. Close at 64. High point. Mark trend line with COB. Lock you in place. Make sure you say 64. Price creates opposite. Alright, waiting for point by definition. Boom, it takes me about a minute and a half, like minute 20 seconds. 17. Well, minute 19. Grateful for spotting this entry. Let's execute. Executed. Alright, so I made a mistake. I was supposed to go long and I went short, which is great. 587.65. Cool. Well, that was a good little mistake. It, we don't want to get any of those anymore, but it was a good mistake. Sometimes the mistakes pay off, you know what I mean? I thought I switched this to long positions, but and okay, I gotta get this stuff like on cue, ready to go. So I'm gonna mark it like I should have. And see what well, obviously would hit my stop loss. That's inevitable. I get that. Because it was a low. Supposed to close in the buy zone, and I was supposed to go long. Which means I was supposed to go like this. We'll learn. We'll just take that lesson next time. Alright. Well then, let's just finish up. So my strategy, WGTA. What separates me from other traders is my willingness to wait even if it means missing the setup. There are 8 steps. 1. Create dollar box. 2. Identify the high or the low. Confirm high or low by definition. Mark point by trend. Mark point with trend line to COB. Identify 3 points. Spot potential entries. Place stop at high or low point. Wait for price to close in the buy zone. Next, we have grateful for spotting this entry. Let's execute. There are 3 steps. Enter 5 contracts at the close of the 5-minute candle. Move entry horizontal line to the close of the entry candle. Label stop loss, target price, and entry. Next, we have when we're in the trade. With trust in my strategy, I remain stoic and execute only when my setup demands it. There are 2 types of candles, action candles and noise candles. For the definition for noise candles is these candles are simply marked noise, have no assigned meaning, and test your patience, resolve, and integrity. Then we have action candles. There are 4. Once my stop loss is hit, I announce proud to execute where others hesitate. Let's spot another entry. Then once 1 hour has elapsed from entry close positions, once price has wicked my target price, I announce or I set my break-even stop loss. And once price closes above my target or reaches my target price, i.e. closes above my target price, I announce my unwavering patience and discipline brought me to my target. Next, I go to my final step where I announce amazing trade is successful. Let's see how far we can go, where there's only 1 stop left, where I set trailing stop loss to maximize gains.